In this video you are going to learn marketing management. Let's start the video. Being an effective marketing manager is more complex than most people think. Speak to any marketing management professional, and they will tell you that their work is equal parts strategy, planning, execution, and analysis. Marketing managers with a documented strategy are more likely to succeed when compared to their rivals who do not have a documented strategy. So, what is the role of marketing management, and how does it help organizations with future planning, understand customers, and create valuable products and services? Discover all of this and more in this video. So, what is marketing management? Marketing management is a process of controlling the marketing aspects, setting the goals of a company, organizing the plans step by step, taking decisions for the company, and executing them to get the maximum turnover by meeting the consumer's demands. A marketing manager must do a deep study to have an idea of marketing management, and how to make it better in your company's favor. Marketing management is based on product, place, price, and promotion to attract consumers. These 4 P's are decided by the management of the company according to the needs of customers, with suitable market prices and easy to find either in stores or online. I have discussed the 4 P's of marketing and different marketing strategies in another video. Check the video in the I button or in the description box. Objectives of marketing management. The basic and important objectives of marketing management are: attracting new customers. Different strategies are set to make sure that maximum customers get attracted to the company's products, like displaying ads on TV channels or social media, brochures, and arranging a sales team that demonstrates the products. Fulfilling customers' demands. Happy customers equals maximum returns. Marketing management helps to understand how you can keep your customers happy and satisfied. And it works especially for those customers who are associated with the company's product for a longer period. Therefore, the company's focus should be on providing quality products and good services. Earn profit. It is necessary to earn profit for growing, diversifying a business, and its maintenance as well. In order to achieve that, your company must know marketing management. It will guide you to achieve your market targets, track customers and sales, attaining more customers to generate maximum revenue and profits. Maximizing the market share. Another objective of marketing management is to maximizing the market share. Sometimes, companies offer discounts to attract customers. Sometimes, they do attractive and unique packaging and offer promotions. Creating a good public reputation. No company could survive longer if they have a bad image or reputation. Having an excellent reputation signifies higher chances of expansion and growth. In addition, an excellent reputation leads to gaining the trust and loyalty of customers as well. Now come to the marketing management process. Every company has its specific objectives and goals that make it distinctive from other companies in the market. Let's discuss some steps needed to make your marketing management effective. Step 1. Market and customer analysis. A company needs to know what its position in the market for its survival and growth. For this purpose, the company has to analyze its rank and its sustainability after each short period of time. Also analyze consumer behavior towards your products or services. Step 2. Development of strategy, goals, and objectives. Where does a business want to go? How does it plan to get there? After market and customer analysis, the strategy will map the way forward. The goals a company has to set should be unique, aspiring, based on reality, and for a specific time. Step 3. Product development. Marketing managers work on product development by considering raw resources, technology, and good ideas so that they can receive positive feedback and gain public appeal. When it comes to expressing the benefits of a product, marketing professionals help craft poignant, on-brand messaging. Step 4. Marketing program implementation. Once promising programs and campaigns have been identified, it's time to deploy the right resources to launch the marketing campaign. Step 5. Keep evaluating, modifying, and repeating the strategies. After that, when you have executed the plan to get fruitful results, it is time to evaluate your company's outcomes, and modify them if there is a requirement, but if they are going well and result-oriented, they are repeated. Check out my other videos on sales and marketing for detailed understanding. If you want to read in details or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Education Leaves.